Need the best auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Wells Branch area? If you are searching for an auto body shop in Round Rock's Wells Branch area, you can quit searching. Watch this auto body shop video for Round Rock, Texas Wells Branch service, body repair service estimate. Even if we have vehicle insurance policy to fall back on when we get into a crash, recognizing the prices of crash repair is advantageous in the future as a result of the influence it is on future. Recognizing how much a repair can potentially cost additionally influences just how you will deal with a crash repair shop. And also, if the damage to your vehicle is extensive enough, recognizing the possible price of repair will aid you choose on whether to assert for a total loss or not. As many vehicle owners may have experienced, premiums do climb based on an owner's case's history, and also recognizing when to assert or not has an influence on your future funds. Why do apparently simple repairs, such as repairing a dented bumper, price so much? It's not only the crash repair shop's markup, although it is a variable to take into consideration. An uninformed owner may assume that it's a simple matter of taking out the bumper, wailing away with a hammer, applying some filler and afterwards painting things. Well, one could do that, yet would the end result be a coating that you would must have along with retain the value of the vehicle? More than likely not. Many prices related to crash repair are things that are not obvious to the untrained eye. Cords and also sensors may need to be replaced. A non-visible subassembly may need to be aligned. Then include in that the price of labor for properly doing a specialist work, and also those little things quickly build up. If you take a close look at the damage to your automobile in this sort of light, you will understand that the parts and also labor needed to restore your vehicle to its unscathed condition actually do build up. To get an even far better suggestion of what it would cost a crash repair shop to repair your automobile, checklist the parts you assume will need replacement and also head down to a parts supplier. When taking into consideration a price quote for the damage to your vehicle, don't limit yourself to what is obviously damage. Additionally, consider what could be wrong. On the plus side, you will be ensured that they will get the repair done appropriately and also quickly. This is additionally important to bear in mind when dealing with repair chains. Consistency is not always their strong suit, and also where one branch may have excellent top quality, the next may be marginal. Body collision repair near my house for Round Rock, Texas Wells Branch. Come by a local auto body shop in the Round Rock, Texas Wells Branch area to get your truck back on the road with haste. Thanks for checking out Auto Body Shop in Round Rock, Wells Branch. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.